This suya wey una dey see so, it makes sense. It makes sense, baby. Now I make I won't use this language, this our native language. Can't do this voiceover, eh? As you see this suya, eh? Oh, Obinigwe. You will not follow me chopper. Now you miss pass. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. I made chicken suya. It's sweet, oh, chai. See the meat where I take make now this tender breast meat. That's part of the meat of the chicken, way tender, way soft. Now I take make before I continue, oh yeah, click that like button. Click on. Click on. And subscribe if you never subscribed before. If you never subscribed before. So the first thing you go do, you go cut the chicken. Cut them into small sizes. Okay? Then as you don't cut them, pack everything for plates. Then you go come mix vegetable oil with chicken seasoning. They call am Maggi, be waiting. How about where you won't call am? Na chicken seasoning, I know. So mix them together. Then carry and pour on top of the chicken where you don't cut. Mix them well. Make sure the oil and the seasoning cube touch every of the chicken. How would they like this, my pidgin English? I know Sabi speak a better. Now I won't make the voiceover today because this suya no be better English they hear. You know they hear better English. So the next thing we go do now, you see this stick that they call on skewer. Oh yeah, repeat after me. Skewer. Okay. So you go carry the stick, come they chook inside the meat. They chook inside the meat. Maybe 3 pieces of the meat or 4 pieces of the meat. You go chook and make it enter that stick. You see as I do one like that. Be careful, oh. No go carry the stick chook for your finger. My hand no deal. So as you don't chook the stick inside the meat, now the next thing where you go do be say you go carry the suya ingredients. If you not get suya ingredients where you bring from Nigeria come, I don't show you before for the other video where I make how you fit prepare your own suya ingredients anywhere where you do for this planet. Okay? Now you just sprinkle the suya ingredients on top of the meat. Make sure it touch every little part of the meat. Then carry the remaining oil and the seasoning powder. Carry and come sprinkle on the meat. Then put inside oven. To roast them inside oven. As more time your suya. Hey, your suya don't ready. I beg 5 vegetable or give me 1 bottle of small stout. I beg you, before you go, just remember to subscribe. Comment on the video and share the video. I love una. This suya makes sense. Bye my people.